Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get onto your STAR math test or for any future STAR tests. So when you go to your class link that comes up on Google Chrome, you need to scroll down to STAR Math and Reading. When you click on that, so when you get on to the STAR website, you click I am a student, and then you are going to put in your 6000 number. I'm going to use a friend who hasn't been here yet, and everyone's password is STAR, STAR 123. And then when you log in, you should click Save Password because only you are using your computer. And here is the STAR Math test with the red corner. And then you are going to click Mathematics. Cummings 208, Mathematics 04. And now we're going to have a couple practice questions. So we would answer them together. Try your best on these. And then I'm just picking whatever answer. Now we're starting the test. And then you need to take your time and try your best. If you need to pause your test, the password is ADMIN. You don't want to update your password with that because it'll save it in there. And that is all.